showing you guys what it looks like. So very neat. This is very neat. This is what it looks like.
I went from Ellie Hansons to mini mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing jars from brain through my circumstances, but you know.
So next we'll just go ahead to brush the hair neatly so it will be very smooth, just to unravel the whole tangleness or the whole roughness of the hair. So I'm just brushing it like so. After that, I'm folding, or I'm just folding it like so, and I'm also tying the tip of the ends of the hair. That's after cutting the wool off. I'm just going to tie the tip of the ends or the tip of the wool, just so that it doesn't unravel when I'm doing the next step.
Yes, my feelings for you don't go, and I know you know all the things are good, but see how relay you.
Okay, now for the next step, I'm using my iron to flatten the knot part so that it can be very easy for installation. If you have like a straightener or a flat iron, you can just decide to do it with a flat iron. But for me, I just want you guys to, because I know most of us do not have like flat irons at home. So yeah, that's why I'm using this iron. And I'm doing this because it is synthetic hair and it's going to dissolve or melt down the knot part, and so that it can be very easy for me to install. I really want that part to be very flat, just so that after installation everywhere, like the whole wig will be very flat. You guys know it is synthetic hair. After that, I'm going to be putting the hair in hot water. This is going to like set the hair. I'm putting the hair in hot water. I'm just gradually doing so, just so that it won't get very rough. So I'm just gradually putting the hair. We'll dip the hair in hot water and pull it out, dip the hair in hot water and pull it out, like so, until I completely put the whole extension in hot water, gradually like so. So after putting the hair in hot water, I'm applying my conditioner on the hair just to reduce the amount of frizz, and then allow it to air dry. So once it dries, I'm going to sew the hair in using a needle and thread to do so, and using this wig cap because I'll also be making my own closure in front. Okay, for the front aspect, I'm using my crochet pin, the smaller one. The crochet pin, I've already used a chalk already to just section out where the part is going to be, just so that it can be very easy for me to crochet. So we just start crocheting just the same way we crochet, just the very same way. But in this particular one, I'm just using little pieces. We'll push the crochet pin in out of the wig cap, that's the wig cap net, and then go ahead to attach the hair extension and then pull it out of the wig cap just to form a loop. We'll pass the tip of the hair through the loop to tie a knot. So we'll just continue like so until I fill in the hair all around the part. And as I'm crocheting, I'm taking little pieces.